Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com application. It's quick and simple, so make sure to stick around to this video and subscribe to this channel. Now, I have on my balance some Ethereum here, and for example, I want to sell it. You want to go ahead and choose a sell button, the second button. Now you're going to choose your currency which you want to sell. I will choose ETH, and now I am here on one time sell ETH for cash or crypto once. So basically you're gonna just choose from here any cryptocurrency you want to sell ETH for, or you can also go ahead and choose target price, just like so. And from here you can choose either crypto or cash. So on cash, once you will have added your payment method, you will see some other payment methods. For me, it's now only my Euros wallet from my bank account. And that's pretty much that. Now you can go ahead and choose another one, which is TWAP, split large trades into multiple smaller orders to minimize risk and reduce price slippage. So you can also choose this option, just like so, and choose again another cryptocurrency, but it's a little bit different here. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can sell your cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.